So hi guys. Now amines are a group of organic compounds which play very important roles in the survival of life. In fact, they have many applications in the medical and pharmaceutical industries. In this lesson, we'll discuss the classification of amines. We will also consider some uses of amines. Let's start by understanding what amines are in general. The term amine is used in organic chemistry to describe a group of organic compounds which are derivatives of ammonia. We call them derivatives of ammonia because they are formed when one or more of the hydrogen atoms in ammonia are replaced by a substituent group, which could be an alkyl group or an aromatic group. Amines can be classified based on the number of the substituent groups attached to the nitrogen atom in their molecules. They can also be classified based on their nature. Based on the number of the substituent groups attached to their nitrogen atoms, we can classify amines into primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Let's consider some examples to understand this better. Examples of primary amines include methylamine and phenylamine. This is because they are derived by replacing one hydrogen atom in ammonia with an alkyl and aromatic group respectively. Dimethylamine and diphenylamine are some examples of secondary amines. This is because they are derived by replacing two hydrogen atoms in ammonia with two alkyl or two aromatic groups respectively. Finally, from the structures displayed here, we can also rightly infer that trimethylamine and triphenylamine are examples of tertiary amines. This is because three hydrogen atoms in ammonia have been replaced with three alkyl or aromatic groups respectively. As mentioned earlier, amines play very vital roles in our lives. They act as neurotransmitters which help to control our moods. For example, dopamine, which is commonly referred to as feel-good or happy hormone, is a neurotransmitter which can propel your behavior towards achieving an outcome that brings happiness. Also, amine compounds are used for the manufacture of drugs which are able to interfere or function in a way similar to the functions of the natural amines in our bodies. Examples of such drugs include amoxapine and chlorpromazine. Let's do a quick summary of what we've discussed so far. Amines are derivatives of ammonia. They are formed when one or more of the hydrogen atoms in ammonia are replaced by a substituent group, which could be an alkyl group or an aromatic group. Based on the number of the substituent groups attached to their nitrogen atoms, we can classify amines into primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. The amines in our body act as neurotransmitters which help to control our moods. Amines are also used for the production of drugs. Bye for now.